In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Yahoo Mail. If your inbox is getting cluttered with unwanted messages, blocking the sender is a quick, reliable way to stop those emails from ever reaching you again. In this walkthrough, we'll use the Yahoo Mail web interface and cover both the one-click method from an email and the settings-based method for more control. Start by signing into your Yahoo Mail account on the web. Once you're in, open an email from the person or source you want to block. Working from an existing message is the fastest route because Yahoo will automatically pick up the exact address. With the email open, look near the sender's name for the three dots icon or a More option. Click that, and choose Block Sender or Block from the drop-down. This tells Yahoo that you don't want to receive messages from that address going forward. You'll see a confirmation pop up. It will ask whether you want to block the sender and, optionally, delete any existing emails you've already received from them. If you want a clean slate, select the option to remove their past messages too. When you're ready, confirm by clicking Block or OK. From here on, new messages from that address won't land in your inbox. If you prefer doing this from settings or you don't have a message handy, there's another route. Click the gear icon to open settings, then choose More settings. On the left, go to Security and Privacy. This section gives you a clear view of your block list. Under Blocked Addresses, click Add. Manually enter the email address you want to block, double-check that it's typed correctly, and then save your changes. Saving is important. If you don't save, the block won't take effect. In the same Security and Privacy area, you can also block entire domains. This is useful when messages come from many different addresses at the same website. Instead of blocking them one by one, you can block the whole domain so anything from that source is stopped. Be careful with domain blocking, though only use it when you're sure you don't want messages from any address at that domain. That's all there is to it. Using either the quick block from an open email or the settings-based method gives you control over who can reach your inbox. Take a moment to review your block list occasionally in Security and Privacy to keep it tidy, and enjoy a cleaner, more focused mailbox.